Today I have a very special story for you. A story of who is the happiest bird. Now once in a jungle, a baby crow had just learned to fly and he was exploring the world around him. I'm a a happy ka. He was very happy and he thought that he is the most beautiful bird in the world because he hadn't explored the world around him. He didn't know about the other birds. And as he was singing and flying around, he spotted something and was in a shock. You know what he saw? He saw something that was as white as snow. That was a swan. The swan was swimming in a pond. I am a swan. I am a swan. I love to swim in a pond. I am a swan, a white swan. I love to fly around. Oh, swan, nice to meet you. You look so pretty, spotless, speckless, as white as snow. You must be the happiest bird in this world, isn't it? No, I'm not the happiest bird because there are more birds who are prettier than me. Is it? Yes. Have you seen the parrot near the mango tree? He has two colors, green and red. He looks really pretty. Oh, I haven't seen a parrot. You can spot him near the mango tree. Have a look at him. I guess he must be very happy because he has two colors. I just have white. But I have only black color. I am black as coal and you are white as snow. Go and have a look at the parrot. Yeah, sure. And the crow flew in search of the parrot. Ka. This time he was not happy because he thought that there are other birds around him that are more pretty. Ka. And finally he spotted a parrot on the mango tree. He was enjoying a mango, a sweet, delicious mango. I'm a pretty parrot, full of energy. All day long I fly from tree to tree. The jungle is my home and I love to sing and roam. I'm a green parrot, full of energy. Hey parrot, nice to meet you. You look amazing with the red and green color combination. Wow! You must be the happiest bird in this world, isn't it? Well, no, because I too thought I was the prettiest bird until I saw the peacock. Peacock? What's a peacock? Haven't you seen a peacock? A peacock is the most beautiful bird in this world with multicolors on his body. Is that true? Yes, he has beautiful colors and he is the prettiest bird. Oh, where can I find a peacock? Oh, well, he must be hanging around near the fields, or you may have to visit a zoo. A zoo? What's a zoo? A zoo is a place where rare animals and birds are kept inside a cage.
Oh, let me go and have a look at the peacock. Bye bye, parrot, thank you.
And so the crow went in search of the peacock. He flew around fields and then went to a zoo. He looked into each cage and finally spotted a peacock.
Wow, what a beautiful bird. Look at his colors. Orange, dark blue, light blue, purple, green. Oh, he looks beautiful. Wow. Hey, peacock, you must be the happiest bird in this world, isn't it? So many people come to see you every day. Whenever people see me, they show me off. But you are so special and so important.
The peacock replied, "Hey, crow, I may be the most beautiful bird, but I am not very happy because I am inside this cage. I am so beautiful, I am so beautiful, I am so beautiful and lovely. But I am in a cage with no friends to play. I am sad and lonely." Dear crow, I have lost the freedom to move around here and there and play with my friends. You're free to fly whenever you want, wherever you want, anytime you wish. But because of my beauty, I am trapped in this cage. So I am not the happiest bird in the world. The crow was surprised to hear this, and he understood that not everything and everyone that's beautiful is happy. So God has made each one unique and special. So don't compare yourself with others and always be happy with whatever you have. Alright? See you next time. Bye-bye.